Hey guys, it's Katie with JLT Performance, and today we're going to install our cold air intake for the 2021 and up Dodge Durango Hellcat. You're going to start by disconnecting these two sensors and this Pcv line. Loosen this back hose clamp, and then you can remove the intake from the vehicle. Remove the intake from the vehicle. Now you can remove this tray from the vehicle. Next, you're going to remove this bolt from the vehicle. Next, you're going to remove this bolt from the vehicle. Remove these two push pins and this on the trim seal so you can remove the block-off plate. Install the IET gasket and adapter onto the new JLT tube. Transfer the IET sensor from the stock intake to the new JLT intake. You need to cut off the 3 plastic rivets here in order to disconnect the Pcv solenoid from the intake, and then you can just pull it straight up. Now you're going to attach the provided bracket to the Pcv solenoid using the provided hardware. In order to install the bracket, we need to remove this nut from the strut tower. We need to install the new Pcv line onto this, and you don't need the O-ring for it, but just so you don't lose it, you can just lift it up. And keep it there. And then you can install the new Pcv line onto the solenoid. Once you have it fully assembled, you can then install it. Make sure that it's straight, and then secure it down using the nut that you removed earlier. Now you can install the JLT air box into the vehicle. And then secure down the front using the provided push pins and install the provided bolts. And then remember to reinstall the trim seal into the scoop. Place the air filter into the air box. And once you have the tube and the filter connected, you can then rotate into place. You'll tighten down the hose clamp on the filter first so you can still make any adjustments that you need to the intake tube. Once you have the tube adjusted to where you want it, you can then tighten down the hose clamps. Connect the new Pcv line to the intake tube. Then you're going to reconnect the quick connect fitting to the Pcv solenoid, and you can rotate this to make it fit. And then reconnect the harness. To install the rain shield, you're just going to remove these 2 bolts. Remove the protective layer from both sides of the rain shields. Install the rain shield using the bolts that you removed earlier. All right guys, so that's it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.